Hello guys, welcome back to another Brendan Moss video. I hope you're all staying safe and enjoying this very nice weather that we've got at the moment. It's so nice and sunny, so warm. In today's video, we're going to be doing our lasses car, which is the GTC, painting the calipers, and then I think we're going to wash it. I'm not quite sure if we have time or not. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe down below, and enjoy. So let's get to it. I will meet you outside.
Yeah.
So guys, we are at the car now. I have taken it apart, so I've taken the brake pads out, I've cleaned it all up, brushed it down, and now I'm just about to open the paint. So let's see what red this is.
Ooh.
That's the colour red that we're going to be putting on. So I'm just going to stir this in and I'll come back to you in a minute. So guys, I'm just applying the paint now. So what you've got to do is you put your first coat on, trying to not do it too thick because you want it just to settle down. No runs, no droplets or anything like that. And then you're supposed to leave this for half an hour, and then you come back to it. If you want to do another coat, you come back after half an hour, and then you're supposed to leave the wheel off. You're supposed to leave it after your final coat, leave it to dry for 2 hours, then put your wheel back on, and then don't drive it for another 24 hours because it needs to dry and set, especially if you've not got good weather. Obviously you don't have to paint the whole thing, just bits that you can see, but if you want to paint the whole thing you can. There's enough paint to do all four. I don't know how many coats it is though. Have a look on box. It says, oh, it doesn't say any coats. No. So I am just doing this first because it's easier. I'm getting paint on my shoe. Some people would say to don't paint in here, but I'm leaving it to dry anyway, and I'll put grease back on it anyway, so it should be okay. Just make sure you've cleaned everything off prior to doing this. Obviously it isn't going to look gleaming in the first coat, but all you have to do is try. And the next coat it'll really bring up the red. At the moment it's a bit like dotty and blotchy. It's because it's not seeping into metal yet. So it does say to paint it at room temperature. It says on here 21 degrees. Obviously you don't have to.
It actually is 21 degrees today.
Is it? Oh, that's beautiful then, isn't it? Obviously it will be hard if you do it colder. Warmer it'll be easy because it'll just dry as you put it on. Oops. So it will be easier for you. It's quite hot today, isn't it?
Yeah. Cloudy but warm.
So this kit cost me £19.99, and I got it off of eBay. Just type in E-Tech brake caliper paint and it'll come up. There's a range of colours, so it goes black, blue, British Racing green, copper, gold, graphite grey, lime green, matte black, matte red, orange, pink, red, silver, sky blue, violet, white, yellow. We've got just the red because I think it's better than the matte red. So basically I'm just trying to find any bits that you'll see when the wheel's on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to start with the other side now, so we'll see you on the other side.
It looks like you're bleeding.
Oh, because of the red.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Which way is... Oh, it's down, that's why. So guys, this is the finished product. I'll show you the front as well. There's the front. Go around to the other side. It looks quite orange in the sun, but I assure you it's red. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video and making it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did, painting the calipers and editing this video. A lot of work goes into these videos, so I would appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe down below, because at the moment I've got about 98% subscribed. So 2% aren't subscribed that watch my videos, so a big thank you guys, and thank you, basically just thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.